the channel. Today's a good day. I'm driving over to a little meet. I think it's gonna be a lot of different cars. It's not just gonna be Beamers. I've been busy all week. I haven't been able to go to events or anything. I went to one last night. It was really nice. It was just too dark to record, so I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this one. It's been a while. Yeah, we got a bunch of whips. They're all different. I wanted to point this one out, you guys. You guys know I'm a Beamer freak. This is a real M4. This color is so unique. Man, that thing is so nice. Look what it says. It says Heritage Edition. Wow. Yeah, that's nice. This Rabbit looks pretty cool too. Looks like it could be fast. Civic SI. Mini Cooper. That's Canyon one right there. This is a nice E34. Wow. Look at the paint on it. Looks like it's on bags too. Yeah, definitely. This thing's hella low. I know. It's like touching the ground, bro. Damn, this looks fun. It's a nice lip too. Did you guys just put the pieces on top? Yeah. Oh, that's sick. That's what I did to my Jeep. I didn't put this many though. I know you probably went all out. It took a long time, huh? Yeah, it looks good, man. Carbon fiber mirrors too. Wow. It's like on bags for sure. This is nice, and then we got this, of course. This is a must. Man, that's nice. These WRXs are pretty sick, man. Look at this wing, you guys. This wing is so badass. It's massive. Even the diffuser. 35 is fixed up all the way. It's hella low. It's got the intercooler, carbon fiber hood. Looks good. Damn. This is nice. It's fixed up all the way. So it's kind of cool, you guys. This ain't a Beamer meet, but there's still Beamers here. It's kind of cool. There's a lot of Dodges here. Nice Chargers. These Beamers look good. E30 gang. And then you got my whip. Yeah, that looks nice. You guys already know this is an E30. He's got an E46 motor in there. M3 motor. This one's pretty sick too. It's all roll caged up. That looks fun. E36 motor. Nice conversions.
Hey, should I get fitment like that on mine?
Yeah, it looks good. Flush against the wall. Man, I can't believe he got that motor in there. This is. These wheels are like the security wheels back in the early 90s, bro. It's been a while. I ain't seen one of these in a while. That thing is nice, you guys. Those of you who know me, originally I was gonna get one of these, and I was gonna put a F10 motor in there, an M5 S63. However, I changed my mind. I'm gonna get a 2 Series and end up doing it with the F10 drivetrain. Man, this color is something else, you guys. I can't tell if it's a red or a burgundy. I'm gonna go with like a metallic red. Looks sick. Yeah, it's burgundy too. I can't tell. Look at this side. Man, those wheels are pretty nice, actually. I'm thinking about getting a GTR, souping it up like 1,000 horsepower, but I don't know if I can pull it off, you guys. They're setting up a meet right now. They're gonna drive to Malibu Canyons. headed out to the canyons now. They're all gonna go to Malibu. I have to go there later on, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drive over there with them a little bit. I'm not gonna go all the way, but I'm gonna have a little fun on the canyons and I'm gonna head back. I just pushed it, you guys. It was pretty cool. I actually like it. It's really nice for the canyon still, but it's not as good as the M5, so it's still fun though. I just hate the back feature. It's a little lumpy, wobbly, whatever you want to call it, but it's still nice. It just hangs really well. I can't really speed because it's so damn heavy. I said I wasn't gonna come to the coast because I was busy, but it's all good. I still came. You guys know how much I love this coast drive. This Pacific Coast Highway is the best. Yeah, this thing's nice. Laguna Seca right here. You guys, this thing is so nice. You guys have to know what this is. I'm not even gonna tell you guys. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna just say it. It's the new Corvette. Damn. Wow. I love it. This is on the bucket list too. There's so many Porsches, you guys. Like a Porsche team meet or something. There's so many nice ones. Damn, look at this one. GT3 RS. It's got yellow stitching too. Look at this thing, you guys. It's beautiful. Man, this 430 is really nice too. Can't go wrong with a Ferrari, you guys, straight up. Carbon ceramic too. Oh wow. You don't see this outfit. Damn. Look at this Ferrari, guys. Nice Porsche right here. M390. Another Porsche, old school. Dude, I'm telling you, we're loaded with Porsches. That's a Ferrari. Wow, that's so nice. Dude, this thing is mad wide. Look at this. It's a really nice color too. I'm telling you, nothing but Porsches. Alright, you guys know I love Lamborghini. I gotta go there. Ooh, hold on. Is that Miami Blue? Yes, it is. Damn. This is a Miami Blue GT3, you guys. Oh, it looks so good. Wow, another Porsche right here looking good. However, you guys know this is me right here. What? Look at the colors. What? Oh my god, it's gated. Wow, she's a beauty, guys. Oh my god. Very nice. Very nice. This right here is Laguna Seca Blue. Look at all these Porsches, you guys. Damn, that's carbon fiber. It's an RS right there. These are fast, by the way.
This is your car convertible.
No, somebody added it.
Damn, 360, very nice. Can't go wrong with these. So nice, man. Black one looks good too. This is really nice, you guys. Damn, look at the intakes. You don't really see that often. Marble setup, very nice. Nice car, man. Man, this setup so nice. This is a full build, you guys. AWE tuning. T37s. Look at that. Roll cage, Recaros. Very nice. All these cars look so sick, but mine is literally dumped. You cannot fit anything underneath. I scraped driving in, look weird.
And I've been up drinking till 5 in the morning.
This thing is nice. Nice M3, you guys. 4-cylinder, bone stock, nice. Look at that. Looking good. Rock 54. ABS wheels.
I just saw the Mini 5 minutes ago.
Clean F5 right here. Very clean, you guys. Look at this thing. Wow. It is that green color. I don't really see this that often, you guys. I don't know what's going on here. I hope they're Euro. F10 M5 with Dynan exhaust. Looking good. You guys check this out. You don't see this that often. It's a real 6.3. The best part of it is a wagon. Wow. Different. Porsches for days, by the way. What's up, Will? Corvette is so nice, by the way. How nice this thing is. This was a really nice meet. There was so many random cars, different cars. I got to see a lot of things, and you guys got to see most of it too. So I do want to let you guys know about the giveaways. The best thing to do is leave a comment on that last video, on the car wash video, and you'll be entered in. I will release it on Tuesday. So Tuesday, I'll drop another video and you guys will see who's the winners. Straight M3 gang right here, passing through. What's up, G? What's good, player? Looking good. Man, so many more cars coming. Sheriff's just patrolling. Porsche Nation right here. Brody forms, yo. Looking good on this M4. Roll caged up too. Looking nice. Alright, that's it for me, yo. I'm heading out now. So I do gotta say that was a really nice experience. I've seen so many cars, different kinds, amazing. I'm still seeing random ones pull up. I just saw a 458 Italia pull up. I didn't see it there. I'm so thankful and happy that I saw a Murcielago, you guys. I love that car, and it's really hard to see one, especially gated. That's the stick shift version. It's very nice. But that's it for today, you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.